And in the options, we have to predict the possible oxidation state of manganese and whether the ligands which are associated with this complex are weak field or strong field. So we have only the spin only magnetic moment value. Mu spin only formula is under root of n into n plus 2, and n is the number of unpaired electrons. Okay, and this mu s has been given to us as 6. The n into n plus 2 value is 36. And from here we have to predict the value of n. So if we have 5 as n and then 5 plus 2, so we have 7 5s are 35. So that means this number of unpaired electrons is approximately somewhere equal to 5, around 5. The square root of 35 is around 5.9, and that is an approximate value, and we have n equal to 5. Now, if n is equal to 5, that means what should be the valence electronic configuration? Now, we know that in this complex, manganese is in the +2 oxidation state. So, for n equal to 5, manganese in the ground state, 3d5 and 4s2. Now, in order to have only 5 unpaired electrons, that means these 4s electrons are gone, and when these 4s electrons are gone, that means the manganese is now in the +2 oxidation state, and manganese in the +2 oxidation state will have 3d5 4s0. We have 3d5 1 2 3 4 and 5, and all of these 5 electrons are unpaired. Okay, this we know from the magnetic moment spin only formula, which gives us n equal to 5, number of unpaired electrons equal to 5. Okay, that means these 5 electrons are unpaired, and for these 5 electrons to be unpaired, the ligands in this complex should be weak field ligands. Okay, why weak field ligands? Because in general we know very well from our coordination chemistry knowledge that weak field ligands do not support pairing. So whenever there is a weak field ligand which is attached to the central metal atom, then it will not pair, it will not favor pairing. So there is no pairing of the d electrons if the weak field ligands are coordinated to the central metal atom. So you can see here very well that from only this magnetic moment spin only formula, we can predict the oxidation state as well as the nature of the ligands of a particular complex. So we have option B, where it is said that possible oxidation state of manganese in this complex is +2. This one is correct, and the ligands associated with the complex is weak field ligand. This one is also correct for this manganese complex. So option B and option D should be our correct answer for this complex.